Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to prove that the derivative of secant is equal to secant x times tangent x. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to say, okay, the derivative of secant is going to be equal to the derivative of 1 over cosine. Since 1 over cosine is equal to secant, and now we have a fraction and we can use the quotient rule to find the derivative of this. So we're going to have the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator over the denominator squared. So, cosine x times the derivative of 1. 1 is a constant, so its derivative is 0, so this entire term is 0. We're going to have negative 1 times the derivative of cosine. The derivative of cosine is negative sine, which times negative 1 is positive sine x. This is over cosine x times cosine x. What we're going to do is we're going to separate this denominator. So we're going to have sine x over cosine x times 1 over cosine x. All right, we're going to split these apart. And then if we were to multiply this back together, we'd have sine x times 1 is sine x. Cosine x times cosine x is cosine squared x. But now we have sine x over cosine x, which is tangent x. And then 1 over cosine x is secant x. So the derivative that we were looking for originally, we have now proven is equal to secant x tangent x. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.